Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I am once again going to show you a soap category DIY product how we can make aloe vera fresh aloe vera soap at home. So after my video of basin floor soap, so this is the second soap I'm going to show you. Very easy process. So we will be using raw aloe vera in this. So before getting to the video, those who are watching for the first time our channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So I have collected aloe vera strips here, very fresh. And as it is little smaller in size, I have collected 4 to 5 and little soap base and then olive oil, fragrance and then soap dye. And again to take out the to set it out the soap, I'm using a silicone tray. So here initially I clean the aloe vera strips cleanly and then I'm just taking out the pulp of aloe vera. So instead if you don't get this fresh aloe vera pulp, you can even use the aloe vera gel whichever is available readily available in the market, but the results tend like not so great as we are using like the fresh pulp. And then I am going to cut this soap base into small pieces because always soap we have to do in a double boiling method as I told you. So if you put it like big pieces, it will take very long time. That's why I'm just cutting it into a small pieces. So as I mentioned, we will be boiling it in the double boiler method. For that, I am using a big kadai with the hot water. I just on the flame. Over to this, I put a small bowl. In that, I added all the soap pieces. Now we will make a paste out of the aloe vera fresh gel. See, I just grinded it nicely. So in this, now I'm going to add little soap dye. Soap dye is totally optional. If at all you want to use just to highlight that color of the aloe vera soap, I am just added. Even the fragrance also, like 2 to 3 drops of fragrance I'm adding here. So these two ingredients are totally optional. Then I'm adding olive oil here. Even a coconut oil also you can add half tablespoon to 1 tablespoon you have to add. This is a mandatory item. So it will, as I told you, this aloe vera soap will address your rough skin actually. So it will add you, I mean, it will give you a very good soft skin over a period of usage, like 1 or 2 months. If you continuously use, you can see the results actually. So our soap got melted. Now I added aloe vera mix whatever we made in a bowl separately that I added to the soap and now lightly mix it. And over to the stove only you have to do this process because this will set fast. So if you don't find the soap base, even you can go with the pears. I always suggest pears because it has more glycerin content, so which is best suits for our skin actually. So now as I'm using silicone tray shape here, I'm not applied any Vaseline or any oil in the down. It will easily removable. So if you are using normal plastic glasses and all for shape out the soaps, then you just has to use it. And finally IPA spray I am doing. This is also purely optional. So just remove off the bubble. I am just using this. So you have to allow it, set it for about 5 to 6 hours. See, finally our aloe vera soap is ready here. Very easy process. And as we are not adding any preservatives or added chemicals and all, the lifespan of the soap will be very less, like 2 to 3 months only you can store it. Store it in a polythene covers. So hope this process is very easy and useful to you all. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and comment. Thank you so much for watching.